what's good guys? Today Jandel is updating the game. So I will be speaking and showcasing all the updates. I'm just a kid, bro. Don't mind me shivering. Fruits. Oh my god. Yeah, common fruits. No. He is talking about my shop, by the way. Fruit shop. Don't mind me, I'm quiet. Yo! The new night shop. Yes sir, let's go bro. Thanks for supporting. Bro, L stock. Yeah, the admin is right. Yeah. Guys, y'all don't know that I'm the first person to grow a celestial berry. I posted this on Sunday, 25 May, 4 a.m. I mean, I'm recording this at 4 a.m. Yep. I'm recording this at 4 a.m. Oh, there's my shop with the bookshop. Why do I have a keep outside? Oh my gosh. On the left, I won't collect my moon melons and candy blossoms because I need them to be shocked and I will get some money. By the way guys, I'm the world's first player to buy a harvest tool. Yep, I'm with a server with my friends and I'm the first player to buy a harvest tool. Y'all are saying you're the first one, but I'm the editor myself that created this video. But I'm a kid. Look. Hey, see? I'm the first player to buy a harvest tool. If y'all look at the gear shop, y'all haters will say, someone bought the first harvest tool and nerd emoji. But that is with Robux. If y'all edit, I will rewind it. I will rewind the video. Alright guys, y'all believe me now. I'm the first person to buy a celestial berry and a harvest tool. So y'all just watch the video with the grow a garden background. I will not be speaking for 1 minute when this video gets to 4 minutes. The video has been 3 minutes, so 2 more seconds. Alright, I will be quiet for now.